How to delete your Facebook photos all at once. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go ahead, it's quick and easy and how you can delete all your Facebook photos at once. Well, the process is actually pretty simple. You gotta open up Facebook, both your iOS and Android, the process is similar. Open up Facebook, log into your account. Once you're logged in now, you wanna head over to the menu icon and from there you wanna head into settings and privacy. So you wanna open up settings and privacy page. Now, once you're on the settings and privacy page, scroll down below and under your activity, head over to activity log. Once you're on activity log here, you'll be able to see various options. You want to tap on your Facebook activity and then you can see posts section. There you want to tap on manage post. Once you tap on manage post, it'll take a time to load up. So you want to wait a couple of seconds here and now this will load up. Once this page has loaded up here, well, all you gotta do is tap on the filters section here and then tap on categories and then filter out here as your post photos and videos, and this way all your post photos and videos will pop up. Then you can select all from here and then you can proceed to tap on trash and move all of it to trash. So this way you can delete all your Facebook photos at once and post at once. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.